The VIVO Stand-GT57 Monitor Arm is designed to accommodate ultra-wide monitors up to 57 inches and televisions up to 55 inches, making it a versatile choice for large display setups. With its premium pneumatic spring assist arm, this monitor arm offers smooth and effortless height adjustments, enhancing ergonomic comfort, especially for gaming enthusiasts. The mount provides excellent screen articulation with its wide range of tilt, swivel, and rotation options, allowing users to achieve the perfect viewing angle effortlessly. Convenient topside clamp installation and an optional grommet bolt make the mounting process easy and secure, even on desks up to 1.5 inches thick. A detachable VESA plate simplifies the mounting process, ensuring that setting up your ultra-wide monitor is both quick and hassle-free. The integrated cable management system keeps cords neatly organized, maintaining a clean and tidy workspace while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your setup.